Marketing is one of the most crucial aspects of any business. Ultimately, the very best product in the world still won't sell if no one knows about it. With Amazon, you have a ready-made distribution platform, connecting you to billions of people. And now you need to think about how those people will find the items you're peddling. And one aspect of this is to consider and understand your buyer persona. So what is a buyer persona? What am I talking about here? Essentially, the buyer persona is the persona of your ideal customer. This is a portrait, if you will, of the kind of person who is most perfectly suited to the products that you want to sell. Try and write a biography for this person, as though you were defining a character for a book you were about to write. How old are they? What gender? What is their average income? What do they do in their spare time? Are they married? Do they have kids? Where are they located? What is their political leaning? All of these things can help you get a better idea of precisely who this person is, and that will then help immensely when it comes to marketing.